We are in the Paris Mountain State Park.
There's a little lizard. I will point it out to you. He's kind of just perched on this rock. There we go. There we go. He's scared now. This beautiful building here has a gift shop.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of snake skin. Wonder if there's a troll on the other side, Saqib.
Obviously walks a lot faster than I do.
I like the trail is so red.
It's a little more secluded over here. It doesn't take a lot to make us happy. Things like this are always welcome. Hi everyone, I'm Saqib.
Hi, and I'm Fatma.
And we welcome you to our channel, Scenic Notebook.
We're here today at the Paris Mountain State Park, and we hope to catch some nice videos and sightseeing. We're gonna go on a little trail. There's apparently a dam and a lake, so we'll go check that out.
Fatma came in from St. Louis. She's here.
Hi guys.
Here she is.
Here.
And
looking at the map.
Yep, and we're looking at the state park.
And also the animals that are around here.
Okay.
There's bears.
So we thought we'd bring you along and show you a couple of nice spots. We took some videos of the Reedy River in Falls Park in Greenville last night, and then today we're just going to walk around this Paris State Mountain Park.
Oh, look at the lizard now. Look at the baby lizard. Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Beautiful, huh?
I don't see it on my... Well, yeah, it's actually gone in anyway.
It's right there. It's kind of...
Looks like a really nice spot to walk along.
She said this beautiful building here has a gift shop and kind of a rest area for the hikers. There's restrooms. It's a really neat place. This board kind of tells us a little bit about the history as well.
I like this spot a lot.
So it says, all summer, everyone came up here and lay in the sun and carried on. Recalls Mary Ann Epps McClaw, who along with other lifeguards in 1940s would swim to the dam and back every day. That's pretty interesting. It's a little gift shop in here.
Okay.
Oh, it's nice and cool inside. You want to come right inside?
Oh yeah.
A lot of snake skin. Pine cones.
I see it, yeah.
How cute is that? What a sweet little trail. And they've got nice shelters here too for picnics, and there's an amphitheater here. Mountain Creek Trail. So we'll go down by the lake and see how big it is. Right now I'm just kind of looking at this. So this little trail leads us to the Lake Placid hiking trail. We'll go check that out. Look at this. Tree looks like it's been uprooted here. Lake Placid hiking trail, so we can go over the trail, and then there looks like there's a bridge. We'll cross that.
Yeah. We found the lake, friends.
Hey, there's a little bridge. I love going over the bridges. Wonder if there's a troll on the other side, Saqib.
Well, what's the password?
I have no idea. Tall mountain.
And you can't cross.
Oh, there's
You gotta
some
come back.
trees down.
What a nice lake.
Looks like a very nice trail. I'm so glad we were able to discover this little place. I know we are short on time, but you know, you gotta make the best of whatever we have here. Hi, Saqib.
There's Fatma right there, waiting for me. obviously walks a lot faster than I do.
I like the trail is so red.
All right, left or right, Fatma?
Let's do the right and see what the trail marker says there. They've got these green markers on the trees. That way, as long as we're on the trail, we're safe. You're not stepping on any snakes, hopefully. We did see a lizard back there, a very pretty blue lizard, so I was able to catch a picture.
Not quite the same as a snake, though.
No, but it was very pretty. We did see some wildlife. So I do have those hydration salt tablets, if you would like. Your mom gave those to us.
Thank you, Fatma. Can you please spare one of those salt tablets for me?
I sure can.
Good. I think I need them.
They kind of help you. They kind of help you stay hydrated as well, since we're drinking water, but replenishes the salts.
That's a good idea. It is so extremely hot.
It's humid. I think it's more humid than hot. We're used to the hot in St. Louis, but this is a little different. It's humid as well, so you feel like your skin isn't breathing. But we're making it through. We're troopers. We found a person hiking, and they were saying that it's not too far, about 12 minutes down this trail.
Yeah.
And we should be able to see the dam, and there is some water spillage coming on, so hopefully we'll get to see that.
Yeah, and I'm probably wearing the wrong shirt. Should just wear a t-shirt. So here's a better video of the lake. It's a little more secluded over here. There were a lot of families and kids, so we decided not to film around that area, just to give them all their privacy. But this is a more secluded side. Fatma and I decided to take the hike. We're going to hike about 15 minutes all the way to the dam. What do you think of the walk so far, Fatma?
It's beautiful. I love it. So nice, and it's under the shade, so it's not as bad.
Oh yes, that is such a big benefit.
Yeah, it's a relief from the heat.
Yeah.
Looks like we're getting closer. It says keep off dam. I can hear it too. Oh, wow.
There you go.
Oh, wow. How pretty is that?
That is nice.
Beautiful house with horses.
Nice.
Oh, wow.
Here's what takes us down to the to a better vantage point to see the dam and the small waterfall. So earlier when I took the video, I was up there. I could have just come down. Didn't realize it was that easy. There you go. I'm going to zoom back out a little bit so you guys can see more.
They always say, what, Saqib, there's a right way and a wrong way. So we came the right way.
Yeah.
So that's good.
It doesn't take a lot to make us happy. Things like this are always welcome.
That is so pretty.
Makes us happy.
All right, guys, we made it to the dam. So it's right behind us. I hope you guys like the little trail. It was about 15 minutes, I think. We are here now, so thought you guys would like to see the beautiful fall from the dam. It's just an overage. People were saying when it rains, there's a lot more flow, but unfortunately it's been a little bit hot and not so much rain coming through. But we'll end our trail here, and we're gonna wrap around from the other side, and that ends our little video for this park.
Thank you for joining us.
Oh, wow. How beautiful. These are all hand-painted murals. This is a baklava cheesecake. The owner's wife makes it herself. They're from Greece, and they gave this to us on the house. Absolutely amazing too. Food was amazing. The southern hospitality was just phenomenal, I say. And this is a wishing well. How beautiful.